All the crap, garbage I've been saving for no damn reason.
Alright, so before I even start this build, first thing I gotta do is clean this disaster of a garage.
I mean, look at all this crap. Where am I gonna put it? Oh, we'll put it in the basement. Over here.
Alright, today's the day we're gonna clean the garage out so we can get to building on the Camaro. Let's see what Honey Boo Boo Sugar Bear's doing.
Look at this, she already got some stuff pulled in. All lined up. Oh yeah. What you doing, honey? Tying her up for me.
Alright, so it's getting pretty clean down here, so I'm looking pretty satisfied. It is nice.
But yeah, there was crap all along here, all over here. That mountain of crap I showed you outside was pretty much just scattered in this area. So, yeah, it's looking better. It's looking better. Most of all the crap I got. Got all sorts of crap. We got a little sandblasting box over there. Some hoses. I got my gold. What is that? My sluice box. My gold prospecting. Got some drain cleaning equipment. TIG welder. A saw. Air compressor. Sandblaster. Tools. All sorts of stuff going on. Go-karts. I got a tranny in the house.
So yeah, the cleaning project's going pretty good. We're getting there. We're almost there. Then we can start the building. All right, so the progress is still coming along. You know, I'm getting shit cleaned up.
Just moved everything back in. That was outside. Now I gotta figure out how to organize it all.
Yeah, finally got all the garbage out. Now it's just a matter of figuring out where I want to put everything. You know, I'm cleaning up little by little.
Got a bunch going on over here. Have to go through. Yeah, I gotta go through all this. And then figure out what's good, what's garbage, what's being saved for nothing. Yeah, I got this muffler over here. It's out of some sort of Nissan. I found it in the garbage one day. The only reason why I took it, my whole plans were just to cut off those exhaust tips.
Yeah, the whole plan is to cut those two exhaust tips off and, I don't know, find something to put them on.
Alright, yeah. Got things pretty cleaned up and packed in over here. Pool table, sealed it off. Top's fucked up anyway, so that's why I ain't really setting it up to use it. So I'm just using it as a big old table, pile shit on, so we can get the funds to refelt the top.
All right, it's the following day, and we're continuing on with Operation Clean Basement. I don't know, something I made up. I figured I called that. But anyway, yeah,
Last night, I kept cracking at it. Kind of looked a little better, and then it got worse again, but that's how things are. Most projects happen like that. They get worse before they get better. But this got worse, then it got better, then it got worse again. But we're getting there. Going through all this little bull crap. You know, pulling out what's scrap and what's not. I'm gonna try to collect all this aluminum I got laying around.
possibly do some kind of molding project in the future. You know, melt this down, cast something out of it. Be pretty cool. See a lot of videos online about that. Always want to try it. Hey y'all!
Alright, got baby cakes down here. Help me now. Hey baby cakes. Mom, what do you want to say to the YouTube people out there? Because you're going to be up on the YouTube screen for anybody in the world to see. Where you going? Where you going?
every man has a great woman standing behind her. Oh, in front of her. All right, still coming along.
The old lady's tired and aggravated. Look at her, her head down. But everything's coming along. Move some more stuff, organize some more stuff. Got this bench set up over here. Got all my power tools on it. Drills, saws, grinders, all sorts of stuff. Impact guns.
Oh yeah.
Got my vise mounted back up on the bench. More stuff packed over there. Yeah. Coming along, some lawn equipment.
All right. Chipping away. Oh yeah. That's right. All right, end of day 2, and I'm pretty happy. I think I'm done. I think it's good enough. So.
Got everything as organized as I can get it for myself. Yeah, the only thing I didn't really touch was the shit in the corner here, and mainly most of, yeah, everything over here. I didn't touch anything on the shelf or anything on that rack.
Eventually though, with this rack, I would like to get these hooks and then all my odd wrenches, hang them all, and then maybe marked on the wall here, each size of the wrench going down. That was a thought. Yeah, that concludes day 2 of Operation Clean Basement. So, it's not totally clean, it's not perfect, but it's good enough. And that's all that matters. Alright. See you another day.
No good. Alright, so first attempt to start Betsy, over a year, failed.